Hey, good morning, Syracuse, Central New York. It's Gwen McDonald, owner broker of Around Syracuse Realty, and today it's Hot Mess Monday. And because kids are going back to school soon and shortly, we're all into, and I love it, time to clean out and reorganize, get ready for the new school year. So, where is one place that you can start to clean that will just be kind of helpful and beneficial? Your bathroom. And before you go, what? Yeah, because you got your toothpaste drawer, all the goodies for that, all the stuff underneath it. I had no idea you could have so much stuff under a sink. So we're going to clean that out today. Let's go, Syracuse. Check it out. Oh, all right, this is going to be embarrassing. Yeah, so we're going to empty all my drawers, and we're going to get rid of all the expired meds. I can only imagine what we're going to find. And we're going to, I have some organization, but not a lot. But we're going to clean it up. That way, say you are selling your home, people want to see what they have for storage as far as, and I love these for the bottom drawers. That's where I keep all my hair dryer and stuff because it's awesome. I cannot believe how much stuff I had stored under here. Seriously, I feel, why am I so short? I don't know. I'm much tall. No, I'm not. Ta-da! Moment. Look, it's so much nicer.